everyone, welcome back to this video. And in this video we are not going to cover any core topic or basic topic of Python. Instead we are going to cover a very fun topic, and I know that you all will enjoy learning this topic. So in this video what we are going to do, we are going to print emojis, right? We are going to print emojis, emoji faces in our Jupyter notebook. So let us launch our Jupyter notebook. So our Jupyter notebook is launched, and I'm going to create a new file for this video, and this is going to be very fun activity, guys. I am pretty much sure that you are going to enjoy this a lot, and it is not necessary that you have to learn everything, but yes, when it comes fun, I just go for it, right? So if you want to print these grinning face, this hot face, and this watermelon, or any other different emojis, then yes, it is possible through Unicode. And isn't this fun that with just these codes, and the best part is that you do not have to remember these codes are available on Google. You can just Google it and copy and paste it, right? So we learn how we can do this. So this is the list of all the available emojis, and see, the list is so long. You can check this anytime. Suppose if you want to, print this, if you want to play with this, this is the Unicode, and it says cityscape at dusk, right? So what I'll do, I will just copy and paste it. I'll copy it, and I will use my print function, and within double quotes, I will write this. But understand this, guys. This is not going to run like this, right? So make sure you just remove this thing. If you are directly copy and pasting, make sure you remove this thing, and you have to replace this plus sign with 000, 1, 2, and 3. And again, here you have to add this slash. Just execute this and see. This is what you will get, right? This is what you will get. It's fun, right? So I hope you like this video. I will not extend this video much. It's up to you that what. Let me do this. Let me fire engine. Yeah, let me play with this. I am copy and pasting it. Okay. This is going to be the last. Print function, double quotes, and just copy paste. Again, I will remove this thing, okay, and I will replace this plus function with 000 and this slash. So here is my fire engine, right? See,